Hi folks, I figured something out today. I figured I'd share it with everybody. Can't believe I didn't know this earlier in life, but might be helpful sometime. If you find yourself with a zip tie that's zipped and you have no tool to undo it or to cut it, I found myself in a situation working on some plants today where I had prevented support from being removed from a plant because the zip tie was in the way and I couldn't set it back down because it was going to break the plant. So I was looking around and I couldn't reach any tool to get it undone. Normally, you can use a knife or something like that to pull the tab down here and get the zip tie to come back out. Or sometimes you can use this, like a little tiny flathead screwdriver will do the same thing. You fiddle around with it enough, it'll do it. But today I didn't have any of those, so I was like, what am I going to do? I had the end of the zip tie. I was trying to use that. Sometimes that'll work, which it will work, but it's still a pain in the butt. So I'm like, wait a minute. I just folded this thing back. And, you can see the little tab on there. I just stuck my thumb in there. Once I got my thumbnail in there, the thing came right apart. So there you go. Thought that might be helpful to some folks. It's helpful to me.